So hi guys, welcome to Chart Traders 369 channel. So the caption what I mentioned for the weekly expiry is gap up and gap. It's gap filling. Okay. So is that going to happen tomorrow? That's the thing what we are going to discuss. So this video is about the tomorrow trade setup for 2nd December. Okay, that's for expiry. So before that, note down guys, our channel is only for educational purpose, so if you're trading, please contact your finance advisor. Let's look at the Nifty chart, how it's going to react tomorrow. Let me open the Nifty chart. Okay, hope you guys are able to see my Nifty chart. So if you look here, this was a trend line which we discussed yesterday. It is exact at there. Okay, so currently, if we look, we are seeing good positive news about the GST collection and the global market. Dow Jones is also positive. If the same thing continues, so we can expect it can open at this level. Okay, so I'm expecting a gap up around this 17,300 levels. Okay, if you look, it is now it is around 17,200. So I'm expecting we should start around 17,270 300 levels, and that's the gap up. And if it doesn't sustain this, then we can see a gap up is filling it. So that's how what I'm expecting it. Then again turning back to moving 17,300, and if it break this 17,300 resistance, then we can expect it can move further till 17,400. So that's the level on the upper side. If it open positive, gap up, then fill this gap, then bounce back. And if it open negative, and if suddenly if you see some negative news in the global or anything, if it open negative, expecting it should start from 17,600 17,060 levels. Okay, and can fill this gap. Okay, if it is negative, it can fill this gap. Maximum lower side is 17,000 level. So that's about the Nifty chart analysis. So let's look at the bank Nifty, how it is going to react. Okay, so this will be the strong resistance at this trend line. So expecting it should open at this 36,600 700 levels. Okay, and again filling this gap at this 36,400, that's in resistance here. It can fill this gap, again try to break this trend, and if it break this, then we can expect 37,000 on the next level. And if that's sustained, then the maximum it can fill this gap, and we can see it can move till 37,300 if it is more positive. So that's the level on the positive opening. Negative opening, if it open below this 36,000, then only we can see it can reach to 35,800 level and 700. That's the maximum lower side I'm expecting on bank nifty. So that's about the expiry on bank nifty chart analysis. Let's look at the OI data. So let me change to the presentation to Nifty OI data. So if you look at the Nifty OI data, you can see this both these candle are almost equal. So I expecting it should move at this range in the morning first hours, 17,200 17,300. If it break this, then we can see further upside. If it fails to hold this 17,200, we can see further downside, and the strong support is 17,000. So the worst case is 17,000 as a support, and the big move resistance is strong resistance is 17,500. So that's about the Nifty over data. Bank Nifty over data, 36,000 is a strong support here. You can see here very strong, and 36,500 is the next resistance, and the big resistance is 37,000. So that's the reason I'm expecting 37,000 a big move if it break this 36,500. and the support is 36,000. If it fails to hold this 36,000, then we can see 35,700, 800 levels. Okay, so that's about the over data. So now this, let's move on to the our training program. If you guys are really interested to learn technical, can join our training program. And this is my Telegram ID Hemant369, and this is the topic which we are covering. Let's look at the stock for tomorrow. The first one is Reliance. So it was showing some positive, and if it opens above 2474, then easily we can expect 2500. So that was a strong resistance. It was hitting multiple times. 2500 will be the first target. If it break this, then you can see 2540, 30 will be the next target. So that's about the Reliance. L&T. L&T also was showing positive, and you can also draw this trend line. If it break this 17,796, right, then easily we can expect 1800, 820, 26 levels on L&T. Next is Ramco Cement. Also the same, got a rejection from 920 levels, right? And if it open positive and sustain above 950, then we can expect 970 will be the next target. Textiles, Century Textiles. So if it holds positive, open positive, holds is 780 levels, right? Easily we can expect 790, 800 will be the next target. So that's about the Century Textile. And let me check if I received any queries from anyone. So I have Manju also with me. Hi Manju.
Hi, Hemant.
Any queries from anyone? No queries, right?
No queries, Hemant.
So what do you?
Expecting some positive tomorrow.
Yeah,
Let's see.
yeah. Even I am expecting the same thing. So let's see. So thanks Manju for your time. Thank you guys for watching our chart traders channel. All this chart will be shared in our Telegram channel, chart traders 369. Please like, comment, and share with your friends. See you on the next video. Happy trading. Thanks Manju for your time. Cheers. Bye.
Bye.